Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Samir Ahmed. Does a factory reset remove variances? A factory reset will remove most common and other form of malware, specialized variances and malware that can survive a factory reset etc. But they are quite rare. Versus and other malware are an unfortunate reality of the modern age. If your phone or computer has fallen prey to them, one of the recommended solution is doing a factory reset. But will it make your device safe again? Here's everything you need to know. A factory reset is an optional found in many modern electronic devices, including computer and smartphone, that allow you to revert the device's operating system OS and drive to their original state. It also returns all settings to their default state and removes any program or file that does not come with the device. That said, in the case of computer, you get the option to keep the file, but if you are resetting your system to remove versus you should delete everything after backing up any critical files. The factory reset Nicker suggests your device will return to the same state when it was shipped to you or when you boot it, but that is not always technically true, particularly in the case of phone and tablets that have gotten up an upgraded operating system. For example, suppose you attempt to use the factory reset option on a phone or tablet that was received an upgraded OS. In that case, your device will return to a fresh install of the current OS on the device, not its original operating system, but it all work the same way for any malware infection as an actual factory reset would work. Will a factory reset remove versus you can get rid of pretty much all versus another malware by doing a factory reset, be returning the OS to its original state. The factory reset optional removes any infect programs or file on your device. It's the unclear option, but it work except in some very rare cases. Each year versus become more any are finding new ways to infect devices. So you many encounter and rootkits that can survive a factory reset, but it's relevantly rare. One such helper emerged in 2019 at targeted Android devices and was successfully at surviving the factory reset. By 2020, the folks at malware bytes were able to find a way to remove it. But if the virus returns after a factory reset, if your device has been infected with malware that keeps coming back even after a factory reset, there is a possibility you are dealing with one of the following. Since your bag is infected, and as soon as you try to restore it to your reset device, the malware jumps to your device and reinfects it. Another possibility is that the malware has invaded your device's recovery of it is a space on your device storage that gives a clean system image for the factory reset option. So if the recovery partition itself is in fact a factory reset,